Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share some essential tips on how to get rid of acne and achieve clear, glowing skin. Acne is a common problem that affects many people, but with the right skincare routine, lifestyle changes and treatments, you can reduce breakouts and improve your skin's health. Let's get started. Follow a consistent skincare routine. Cleansing. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser to remove excess oil, dirt, and bacteria. Exfoliating. Use a mild exfoliator once or twice a week to unclog pores and remove dead skin cells. Moisturizing. Even if you have oily skin, always use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Sunscreen. Protect your skin from UV damage by applying a broad-spectrum sunscreen every morning. Use the right acne treatments. Salicylic acid helps unclog pores and exfoliate the skin. Benzoyl peroxide kills acne-causing bacteria and reduces inflammation. Niacinamide reduces redness and controls oil production. Retinol speeds up skin cell turnover and prevents clogged pores. If you have stubborn acne, consider using spot treatments or consulting a dermatologist for prescription options. Maintain a healthy diet. What you eat can impact your skin. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and dairy products if they trigger your breakouts. Instead, focus on drinking plenty of water to flush out toxins, eating antioxidant-rich foods like berries, green tea, and dark leafy greens, incorporating omega-3 fatty acids from fish, walnuts, and flax seeds to reduce inflammation. Keep your hands and belongings clean. Bacteria and dirt can transfer to your face easily, so avoid touching your face frequently. Change pillowcases and towels regularly. Clean your phone screen to prevent bacteria buildup. Manage stress and get enough sleep. Stress and lack of sleep can trigger hormonal imbalances, leading to breakouts. Practice relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing to reduce stress. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to allow your skin to heal and regenerate. Exercise regularly, but wash your face afterward. Exercise improves blood circulation and helps remove toxins, but sweating can clog pores. After working out, wash your face or use a gentle cleansing wipe to remove sweat and bacteria. Be patient and avoid picking at your skin. Acne treatments take time to show results. Be patient and stay consistent with your skincare routine. Never pop or pick at pimples, as this can lead to scarring and worsen inflammation. By following these tips, you can take control of your acne and work towards clear, healthy skin. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it may take some time to find what works best for you. If one method doesn't work, don't be discouraged. Adjust your routine, try different treatments, and give your skin the time it needs to heal. Consistency is key, and over time, you will start seeing improvements. If your acne persists or worsens, consulting a dermatologist can provide you with personalized solutions and treatments tailored to your skin type. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite skincare tip, and let me know what other topics you'd like me to cover. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay confident, take care of your skin, and always be your best self. Bye for now.